All right, so what do we have here? I don't know if many of you have seen this model, but this is the 918 RSR track car. This is one badass machine. We're inside of the Porsche Experience Center in Los Angeles. Today is 964 day. They have my car on display, which is my 1990 C4. Done a little bit of work to this one. It's an older air-cooled Porsche. Redone the engine and all the interior wheels and suspension. It's definitely a fun car. This is in Los Angeles, California, where you could turn some laps in whatever Porsche you desire. And some awesome cars on display. 918 RSR. Today is 964 day. My buddy Patrick here shooting pictures of his 964. RS America right here. It's an awesome car. Got Jeff Swartz rally car. Used to work at Rodvella Motorsport back in the early 90s. This company right here. We used to prep this car. I won a Pikes Peak race here and there. By a few championships and whatnot. And a speedster. A whole crowd of people